Hey there, it's Wong with Hands-On Therapy Services. I know the holiday has ended and everybody, including myself, needs to put stuff away, and there's always tons of things to do. And I just want to make sure I give you another tip in terms of how to keep your arms healthy and pain-free, okay? A lot of times these are the times when people start to get injured and you might feel a tug or a pull or a pop and you think nothing of it because it hurts, but then it goes away. But it's these kind of injuries that sort of come up and creep up on you months later. So I want to give you a tip that I share with a lot of my patients when it comes to keeping your shoulders healthy, okay? One of the biggest things is when you start feeling those aches and pains, if you haven't, it's been going on for a while, then and you are serious about looking for some help, then just give us a call here at Hands-On Therapy Services. We can start you with a free shoulder report, or you can request to speak to any of our therapists. Now, if you don't have any, let's keep it super healthy. Now, if you kind of a little bit here and there, just keep this tip in mind. So if you're carrying anything and you're trying to put something away up on the shelf, right? It's a little high. Anything that's over your head, just try to keep in mind to keep your shoulder blades back and down just a little bit. Like if these are your shoulder blades, when you're lifting to lift anything up over your head, just kind of think about squeezing your shoulder blades just a little bit together. You don't have to like exaggerate or anything like that, but you want to just, when you're lifting and you're trying to push something and push it up over, because I've got to put some of my decorations up away too, and I have a shelf for it in my garage, and so there's a couple of things on the bottom and there's a couple of things on the top. Now I try to keep the things on the top light so it's not like too stressful on my shoulder, and I try to keep the heavier things on the bottom, and that's something to consider too. But sometimes the bigger stuff, even though they're light, they might be bulky, like a reef or something like that. But if you're lifting and you're going over your head, just think about you keeping your shoulder blades squeezed back just a little bit, so when you reach up, those muscles in the back are supporting your shoulders just a little bit. We want to make sure we keep your shoulders healthy and pain-free. Now, I know I hate saying this, but our shoulders take on a lot of wear and tear, and it's just like something that you have to kind of keep in mind and think about, as we get a little bit older. I'm over the age of 40, and I know a lot of people who are watching this are over the age of 42, and we get a lot of wear and tear in our shoulders, especially after the age of 40. They'll start to creep up on us, and so important to make sure we keep our tendons and our shoulders healthy so we can avoid injections and surgery and stuff like that as we get older, and we want to stay active and pain-free. So that's a tip for today. And if you are someone who's got some aches and pains in your shoulder and you're serious and you just don't want to, make sure that you don't wake up one day and you can't move your arm, or you just have so much pain that you can't get dressed or put your bra on or anything like that, and you just want to be able to stay active, then give us a call here at Hands-On Therapy Services. We'll be happy to help you get clear on what might be going on and just to help you stay active and pain-free. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next time. Thanks for watching, and if this tip has helped you, then please feel free to share it with a friend of yours that might need some help with their shoulders too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.